Good evening. It's Sunday, and I have dropped a few notes because there are some improvement to what I have to share. Otherwise, you all go crazy following me on my journey of thought thinking, not knowing where I'm going. Because most of it are shared from experience and also my daily reflections of things that's going around me. So today, what will I talk about? Today I will talk about richness in regrets. So you say it must be crazy. Regrets also got richness, man. Yes, actually I find a lot of values in understanding what regrets is all about. Sometimes I regret about things that I didn't do. I regret about things that I should do. And I regret about the opportunity that went me by because at that time I cannot afford. But in the end, I think everything worked out to be better now, because sometimes things don't happen not because you don't take proactive action. It's because, like me, sometimes I'm not ready. You know, when you're in a management and you move through the rank without any guidance, you have to be automated, instant managers or even directors in that manner. You have to decide on the spot. So it's like our Prime Minister now. He had prepared himself for 29 years. Do you think he's ready? Well, I will say that he have made all possible learnings or education or information, whatever he have been accumulating since the day he wanted to be a PM, and hope that this will blend with the nation. And he will obviously work for it because it's not easy to be here today. So I feel the pain that people regret this don't happen, that don't happen. Now, before you regret any further, work as a Malaysian. Do your part. Don't judge anything. Just think of yourself as, okay lah, give you the chance to be PM of your house. And suddenly you're in charge of a chaotic situation. What you're going to do might be something that you might regret. But again, that does not prove that you're doing the wrong thing. Different situation with the same outcome can have very vast difference. It all depends which side you're standing on. So like in your life, I bring you back to smaller scale where life is concerned. The wise one will look at regrets with a tinge of satisfaction that they have passed that situation and they know what is better to be done now. Is it going to be correct? Well, it's up to the future to decide. But every step of the way, if you live in regrets and do nothing about it, then you're wasting a life that is full of potential. So how can you know that you are wrong? You know, how can you know that if you have done that, whatever you are doing then, you might have a better now? Nobody can sign you that kind of guarantee. So you have to take charge of your life. Whenever you see that it's a regrets, look into it. Look intensely, and especially when the regrets are too huge for you to handle, I think that is the biggest breakthrough you're going to do. Because then you know you can always be a better person. You can always excel. And regrets is there to show you what you're not supposed to be and what you can be. So till I talk to you again, remember, search out solutions from your regret. Don't let regrets be wasted just like that. Okay, happy holiday tomorrow. By the way, I hope no more so many holidays. We really have to work. And thank you. Bye.